Oh, Marissa, what is that story you wanted to tell again? Alright, hear me out, Zay. I always hear that Nitori always goes out and kills people at night.
What? No.
Oh, Marisa, what happens if you have the bag of the claim? This sounds interesting. Alright, so hear me out. You know how in Japanese mythology, Cap always go underwater and drown humans and eat their flesh?
Wait, you're going a little bit too far, Marissa.
Big Yum is right. This is very far-fetched, even for your standards.
Hey, do you guys just...
You big babies, this was just a costume. Oh boy.